everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. So today we're going to be doing a straight crochet braid. So if you want to see and know I achieved this crochet braid in this video, please keep watching. So right here I've already went ahead and cut the hair off camera. So right now I'm going ahead to pull on the end. So I cut the hair into four sections because she didn't want the hair to be too long. And also for this straight crochet braid, we only use one pack of the X-PRESSION braided hair. So right here, before going ahead to braid the hair, I'm gonna take a water bottle and spray in some water on the natural hair. I like spraying water on the hair so that allows me to braid through the hair easily. So though I braid the hair off camera, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the braiding pattern in a second. So here is the braiding pattern. It's something simple. I did a couple of braids on the back, couple of braids on the front and the zigzag braid on the back. So to do the crochet braid, you want to pass the crochet hook through the braid and pull it through. Next, you want to grab the hair, pass it through the loop, grab it again, pass it through the loop, and then pull on it to secure it. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. Hook the hair, pass it through the braid, and then you use your index finger and your thumb. You pull the hair, pass it through the loop, and pull it again, and then pass it through the loop. Then you want to go ahead to pull on the ends of the hair to secure it. Okay, let's talk about the color of this hair. As always, you don't have to use the same hair color we use in this video. You can use any color of your choice, but if you like the hair color, you can definitely go ahead and use it. And also for this crochet braid, I kind of spaced out the back a little bit, just because she didn't want the hair to be super full. She kind of wanted a little bit like a little bit lightweight. So on the back I gave it a little bit of space in between the crochet braid, but on the front I didn't give any space at all, just because I want the front to have more volume, because the front will kind of cover up the back. So that's why I didn't give it that much space on the front. And also for the side parts, I'm going to be doing the knotless method on the side part. So to do the knotless method, I'm gonna pass the crochet hook through the braid, hook the hair, pass it through the braid, and then I'm gonna use the crochet hook, hook the hair, pass it through the loop, hook it again, and then pass it through the loop. And next I'm gonna go ahead and pull on both ends to secure it. And also for the knotless method, you only want to pull half of the hair through the loop. So here is the finished result before going ahead to comb the hair with hot comb. So to comb the hair, I'm going to be doing it section by section. I've already combed the back of the hair and also the other side of the hair. So right now I'm gonna go ahead with my hot comb, and I set it into medium heat. You don't want to go in with full on high heat. That will mess the hair. You want to make sure to go in with medium heat or low heat if you prefer that. So right now I'm just going ahead to comb the hair, taking my time, combing the roots and the tip of the hair.
Oh, you know, sometimes it's just downright hard. And lately you've been feeling dizzy, spinning all around trying to find my heart. And maybe you've been feeling like quitting. Raise your head and look at how far we've come. It's crazy. all the wars we're fighting, and all of the battles we face and won. Don't give up on me just yet. This may seem as bad as it gets, and all these rough nights I laid out. But if that ain't no rain, and God,
here is the finished result of the crochet braid. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for the love, and thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one.
don't give up